When your livelihood depends on rainwater for drinking, washing, showering and watering, being able to manage your tank water levels is critical. Rainfall can be unpredictable, and it can be difficult to monitor your water usage so you don't run out. Davey have a solution to take the hassle out of managing your tank water. TankSense is an invaluable device designed for above-ground tanks, which will monitor and track your water resource to ensure supply is always available. TankSense can be customised to suit your specific living arrangements and provides real-time data via an app direct to your mobile phone, such as tracks your monthly water usage, advises how many days of water you have left remaining, alerts you when you are running low on water, and predicts rainfall events. TankSense predicts rainfall events based on weather patterns and forecasts, so you can determine if you will have enough water. This may save you from ordering water unnecessarily if the tank water levels will rise from expected rainfalls. The Davey TankSense is a small investment for peace of mind, so you never run out of water.